Hello everyone, we are here at ISE 2026. I'm Max Wurtulewski, co-founder and CEO of Spaceti. We are the building intelligence and workplace intelligence platform, and today I would love you to guide us through our AI demo. So please take a seat here and look at our platform. So we are connecting data from multiple device integrations. We have more than 50 pre-built sensor integrations. We have main vendors such as Crestron, QSys, Logitech, booking integration with Google, Microsoft, and many others. We are hardware agnostic and support many different sensors and types of use cases. But the key point is related to our AI. So let me start a conversation with a Spaceti AI to help you as a workplace manager or building manager to understand the insights on what is happening in your space. So I'm going to ask it a first question. Let's start with an easy question. So let's say, what was the utilization of space last month? Yeah, so this is a generic question that we're going to ask. So AI is going to take a look at the data and actually provide you the analysis on the data that you have available within your workplace. So it straight gives you the answer about the utilization levels, and this is a simpler answer. Now I'm going to ask a much more difficult question. I'm going to ask, okay, can you correlate booking versus occupancy data, let's say in the shared, let's say shared occupancy data. Let's say occupancy data last month hourly. Okay, so we're going to do a deep analysis. So let's see what it does. It's now taking two separate data sets. In this case, the data coming from the booking system, and also the occupancy data is coming from the sensors inside the space. And voila, you can actually see a live graph that is being generated by the intelligence platform, and it's giving you the key insights in relation to the booking data that we have. So it's pretty easy to see the different patterns. We can see the comparison of the booking utilization versus the actual utilization. So here it's visible that actually there were more bookings than actually people physically showed up to the space, and you can see a certain pattern that is being identified. Now I'm going to go for a super hardcore use case and include CO2 data and environmental data for one specific meeting room. So I'm going to ask it about the, how about CO2 data versus occupancy in our occupancy in the shared large meeting room last week, let's say also hourly. Yeah, so let's go for that analysis to figure out if there's any correlation. And you can imagine that before it would take hours or even days for analysts to compare and benchmark this data. Now with the Spaceti AI, you're able to do it literally in seconds, any moment of time, and it's going to give you a pretty granular analysis for the different types of data coming from building systems, booking systems, AV equipment, etc. And now you're actually getting an insight that tells that there is actually a strong correlation pattern between the occupancy and the CO2 levels, which is correct. And you can see the insights, the usage patterns, and the days when this correlation had the biggest effect. So welcome to Spaceti AI. Please visit spaceti.com, and thank you so much for watching us, all of the rave viewers. Thank you.